the battery first. Connect the light fixtures and the power supply. Wave your hands to control the lights on or off. Tap the button to turn on the light when it is off. Tap the button again to adjust the color temperature of the light. Hold your hand above the sensor to adjust brightness. Master on switch. May no FF key. Groupa B. Single click to toggle Groupa B lights. Color temperature increase. Color temperature decrease. Brightness increase. Brightness decrease. Favorite 1. Long press to save current light state. Single click to recall saved state. Favorite 2. Long press to save current light state. Single click to recall saved state. Timed light off. Press briefly to cycle through. 15/30, 16-minute settings. Night light mode.